Good evening, students. As we have started chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. So about this chapter, all the introduction I have given you in the previous video, and exercise 3.1, 3.2 also I have sent you in the form of PDF. So today we will start with exercise 3.3. In this exercise, in first question, you have given some points and you have to tell these points are lying in which quadrant or on which axis. Okay, so as an introduction I have told you that two axes in Cartesian plane known as Cartesian axis divide that plane in four parts that are known as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So in first quadrant both x and y are positive. In second quadrant x is negative and y is positive, because here on this side x is positive and this side negative. Upside of y-axis positive and downside negative. So when both x and y are negative, that is third quadrant, and when x is positive, y is negative, that is fourth quadrant. So these points you have no need to plot on the graph. By looking at the sign you can tell the quadrant. As a first point, x is negative and y is positive. So x negative, y positive, that is second quadrant. Okay. Second point, x given, y 0. If y is 0, it means that point will lie on x-axis. Here -1 will be here on x-axis, so this point will lie on x-axis. In third, you have given both are negative, so both are negative in third quadrant. Fourth, x is positive and y is negative, that is fourth quadrant. When both are negative, that is third quadrant. Okay, and when both are positive, that is first quadrant. So this was your first question. Without plotting the points on the graph you can tell their quadrants. Now in second question you have given a table. In that table you have given values of x and y and you have to plot these on the graph. So simply we will take the graph, x-axis, y-axis, and we will write down the numbers on equal intervals. As here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive, -1, -2, -3, all this negative. Upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive and downside 1, 2, 3, 4 negative. Okay, so first point -2 and 8. Here -2 we will take on x-axis and 8 we will take on y-axis. So the point where these two intersect, this is -2 and 8. The point where these two intersect is the point -2 and 8. Then -1 and 7, on x-axis -1 and on y-axis 7. Okay, 0 -1.2, x is 0, it means this point will lie on y-axis. So negatives are on downside, so point is here. Next, x is 1 and y is 3. Here the point x1 and here the point y3. Okay, join these two. Meeting point is this one, that is 1 and 3. Next is x3 and y -1. x3 here, y -1 downside the axis. So meeting point of these two, this point is x3 and y -1. This is how to plot the points. Okay, students, if with this question it is also ask that tell the quadrant also, then that also you will tell that point -2 and 8 is lying in second quadrant, -1 and 7 also in second quadrant, 0 -1.25 on y-axis. Only y-axis you will write, no need to write that positive portion of y-axis or negative portion of y-axis. Then 1 and 3 both are positive, first quadrant, x3 y minus negative, that is fourth quadrant. Okay, so here our exercise 3.3 completed and also our chapter completed. So you complete your notes, do all these exercise on your notebook. If any doubt is there, discuss with me in Zoom class, and next chapter we will start from next week. Okay students, thank you.